3 easy steps on PSA Online Services. The Philippine Statistics Authority, or PSA, is the major statistical agency responsible for collecting, compiling, classifying, producing, publishing, and disseminating general-purpose statistics as provided for in Commonwealth Act No. 591. The PSA also has responsibility for carrying out and administering the provisions of the Civil Registry Law as provided for in Republic Act No. 3753. So these are the PSA Online Services: birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, and Cenomar. Request these documents online from the PSA, formerly known as NSO, for delivery anywhere in the Philippines or abroad. So first, you have to go to www.psacertificates.com.ph. Read carefully the important reminders and click OK. So here is the first step. Fill out application form. Read first the following information. Then click here to request now button. Fill out the contact and delivery information correctly. Then scroll down to complete the form and click Next button. Check the details to confirm your informations are correct. Then click Confirm. Click on the button you want to apply: birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, or Cenomar. And then answer the following question accurately. Then click Next button. And then fill out all the information correctly. Then scroll down and fill out the remaining information. Then click Save. Then check and confirm if the details are correct. Then click Confirm button. Read and click Proceed button if you want to proceed for the request. So this will be your request summary. Now if you want to add another request, just click the plus button. But if you don't have any additional transaction, just click Submit. If no error in your application, you will receive a batch request number. This will be your reference number. Step 2. Pay through accredited payment channel. On the right side, you can see the payment and delivery details. Click print to have a copy of your acknowledgement. So you have to print 2 copies of this page. You will be asked for a copy when paying for your request in your chosen banks. The other copy is your personal copy. The acknowledgement has also been sent to your email. You can pay through any of the following: credit card, Banco de Oro, Union Bank, any branch of Bayad Center. You can also pay online via credit card, video online banking, and Union Bank online banking. And step 3, wait for delivery. Due to gradual resumption of operations of PSA Services and of our courier service providers, expect a delays in payment confirmation, document processing, and delivery. For your guidance, here is the PSA Services updated schedule. For Metro Manila and Luzon delivery, 3 weeks after payment, and for Visayas and Mindanao delivery, 4 weeks after payment. Schedule of delivery to other countries, it is still depending on the resumption of services of Philippine Postal Office and the restriction in each country. You can avail of special courier services through FedEx for delivery addresses outside the Philippines. Note, there will be a dispatch notice sent to your email address once the document is ready for delivery. The following hotline numbers are available for inquiries on PSA services from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. How much do I pay? Delivery within the Philippines is 330 per copy of birth, marriage, and death certificates, while 430 per copy for Cenomar. And delivery to other countries, $20.30 per copy of birth, marriage, and death certificates, and $25.30 per copy for Cenomar. If I changed my mind, at what point can I still cancel my request? Answer: once you have already paid for your request, you can no longer cancel it. PSA Services adopts a no cancellation policy for all its services. Can I request for a refund? PSA Services adopts a no refund policy for all its services. If you have inquiries or encounter any problem regarding PSA Services, you can email them at info@psaservices.com.ph. PS. You can also go to any PSA offices near your area for faster transaction. Payment is 155 pesos only for the certificates, and you can get the documents in about 1 to 2 hours. Do you have questions? Leave a message at the comment section.
Thank you. Thank you. Tomo arigato.
Thank you.
No, they do.